Hello everybody. So as you all know, I'm here at the Odessa location, which is in San Antonio, and we drove 6.5 hours, right? 6.5 hours?
Yeah.
We drove 6.5 hours just to be here to pick up a 2009 Honda Fit, which is gonna come through right there. We're just waiting on it. So let's just wait and see if the car runs and drives good, and we'll get you to more updates on it. Perfect. What's up, boss man? How you doing? Sam, nice to meet you. Thank you. Bro, could you check, does the windows work? Yeah, that's it. Oh, damn. It came with a new pair.
Okay.
Not bad, not bad. Not bad at all. Hopefully it doesn't have any mechanical issues. So overall, we just came here in Houston, San Antonio. Krishna is helping me out on this deal. So we drove all the way from Dallas to here, which was like almost a 7-hour drive. So we made it over here. The tire looks good. The car overall looks good, has AC, no mechanical issues. The registration is still on there, so we are good on that. In a bit, we will be checking out the oils and everything. It has paint damages, but nothing we can't fix. Bro, could you turn the headlights on? I mean, overall, not a bad car at all. Looks pretty nice. It's a Honda Fit, so it's a gas saver car. No issues, nothing at all. So I'm here in San Antonio. We just picked this car up. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Come on that side.